Okay, this is the first set of 0.5 problems. Again, this is working with rational expressions. So for my first problem here, I have 8x squared plus 16x divided or all over 4x squared. Okay, and I need to reduce this to lowest terms. So I notice the top one has a greatest common factor of 8x. So that gives x plus 2. And my bottom is 4x squared. Well, 4, let's do some color here. So 4 will go into 4 one time, 4 will go into 4 two times. Have x, and this becomes an x to the first power. So now I'm left with 2x plus 2 over x. All right, and then just cleaning it up. Sorry, x4 over x. Okay, next problem. (3m minus 15 over 4m minus 20 times m squared minus 10m plus 25 over 12m minus 60. All right, so first, on the first rational expression, I can factor a 3 out of that. I can factor a 4 out of the denominator. And then over here, again, you should be noticing by now that I've got a perfect square here. I've got a perfect square here. This is 2 times 5 times m. So 2 times the square root of this times the square root of this. So this is a perfect square. So it factors to m minus 5 minus 5. And then on the bottom, I can actually factor a 12 out of this. Lots of m minus 5s running around here. Okay, so first off, those guys are going to factor out. And let's get another color here. And then those m minus 5s will factor out. And so what I'm left with then is 3m minus 5 over 48, which this will also factor. And so my final answer is m minus 5 over 16. You also have to kind of be careful when you get to your final answer. Make sure you've really gotten everything factored out of it, because I almost messed up. Okay, next problem. X squared plus 2x minus 15 over x squared plus 11x plus 30 divided by x squared minus 8x plus 15 over x squared plus 2x minus 24. Okay, so I'm going to take this second expression and I'm going to flip it. So as I do that, I'm going to go ahead and factor this first one. So again, both of these are nice. They have ones in front of the x squared terms, so I can just go straight to, so this is going to be x plus 5, x minus 3 over x plus 5, x plus 6 times, so now I'm going to take this bottom one, x plus 6x minus 4 over x minus 5, x minus 3. Okay, let's see here. So I can, these will cancel out. And then the x minus 3's will cancel out. And the x plus 6's will cancel out. And so what I'm left with is x minus 4 over x minus 5. Okay. And then we get x cubed plus y cubed over x cubed minus y cubed times, I'm going to put the bottom first here, plus 2xy plus y squared Okay, this is all sorts of special pattern stuff. Okay, so the way that you factor a sum or difference of cubes is you take the cube root of the first term, whatever the sign is, the cube root of the second term, and then you're going to take this first one squared, opposite sign, multiply the two together, and then take the square. Okay, so we do it again down here. This time this is x minus y. So this becomes x squared plus xy plus y squared. Okay, and then this guy, so x squared minus y squared is a difference of squares. So that is x plus y, x minus y. And then this one is a binomial square. So it's x plus y times x plus y. Okay, so let's see what we can get rid of here. So I can get rid of an x plus y right there. And let's see here, I can get rid of an x plus y there and an x plus y there. And an x plus y minus y there and x minus y there. And so what I'm finally left with is x squared minus xy plus y squared over x squared plus xy plus y squared.